Hi, I'm Adam. How to cancel Shopify subscription. First of all, open the homepage of your Shopify. On the top right corner, you will see your store name. Click on it. Click on Manage Account. A new tab will open. On the left side of your screen, you will see the Security tab. Click on it. On this page, you have to make sure that all the authentication methods of Shopify should be turned off, whether it is two-step verification or if you're using some other service to log into your Shopify account, you have to turn off all of the methods that you're using to sign into your Shopify account. And also make sure that you're not logged into any other device other than you're using right now. Now back to the home page, you will see the settings section on the bottom left corner. Click on settings. On this page, you have to click on plan. On this page, you will see all of the services that you are subscribed on your Shopify. Basically, all of your subscriptions will be shown here. If you have connected any other apps with your Shopify, you have to make sure to disconnect all the third-party apps that are currently connected to your Shopify store. If you do not disconnect other apps before canceling your subscriptions, there might be a chance they may be charging you even after canceling your subscription. So make sure to disconnect them before canceling your subscriptions. Once you have completed all of the steps that I have told you, then you have to click on Deactivate Store. And from here, you have to select the third option, which is called Deactivate Store. Once I click on Deactivate My Store, it will ask me for a reason that why I want to deactivate my store. You can select any reason, and after that, it will show you that your store has been deactivated. And also note that Shopify will store your data for 2 years. In the meantime, if you decide to reactivate your store, you can also reactivate it and get back all of your data within the time period of 2 years. And that's how to cancel Shopify subscription. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.